Ah, damn it. I knew I was going to do that too.
You got it?
Yeah, it was good.
Alright. Hey guys, I wanted to stop the video real quick and give you a proper introduction to the channel and what this series is going to be really all about. So a couple weeks ago I found a couple issues with my Forester and realized that it's probably time that we go ahead and do something about them. So lately we found a fuel leak, coolant leak, and realized that some of the hoses are cracked and dried out. They just need to be replaced because that's probably what's causing some of the leaks now. So and I also want to take the time to probably gather some more parts, make it just a little bit quicker. I'm kind of aiming for about 300 horse, which isn't anything crazy, but it is something that it'll make the car a little bit more enjoyable to drive. So I figured this would be a good time to kind of document these kind of things and share it with you guys, whether it's something entertaining for you or something that's helpful as far as it's something you're looking to do, your Forester, WRX, Subaru, anything. I mean, just kind of having that motivation, watching somebody do it, just kind of gets you going. So I hope this is a good series for you guys. I hope you enjoy this a lot. I appreciate the love and support that you guys have shown this channel already. So far we're doing pretty good. The videos have been getting quite a bit of views, more than I would have anticipated. So I thank you guys very, very much. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this series. Alright, so now we got the trailer going, or we got the car on the trailer now. Now I gotta take it over to Aiden's house, drop it off over there. So we got a little bit of a drive, unfortunately, but we should be good to go. We got a good old buddy Jason helping me today. Obviously, you guys have seen some of his content too over at Teen Turner. We've done videos with Josh's GR and done some other cool videos. So hopefully that you guys go check out his stuff too after this. So he's helping me out big time right now. So we just got to Aiden's house. He's got the barn open and everything. So car made it here in one piece. I'm here.
I know. Did you see my snap? I think give me just a couple minutes. I'm gonna finish eating my salad real quick.
You trying to eat healthy or something?
What?
So you trying to eat healthy or something?
No, it's before or after dinner.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll probably go ahead and start getting things unloaded then, okay?
Hey.
All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Hey.
Bye. We're gonna go ahead and probably get the car unloaded. It's gonna be here in the bay for time being, with it being Tuesday night, and I live like an hour away, so it's kind of difficult to come out here and work every single night. So yeah, we will go ahead and get the car unloaded, and then this coming weekend I'll be back down here to work on the car. So thanks again, Jason. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. Anytime. Anytime.
Alright, so we got the car inside the garage now. Like I said, we won't do anything with it tonight. I'll come back this coming weekend when we got some time. And ironically, Aiden over there is gonna decide to pull his motor out of his car as well. So it'll be kind of interesting that we both work on our turds at the same time. So, but yeah, no. Thank you to Aiden and Caleb, and also thank you to Jason once again for like the 7th time I pretty much thanked him today. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. So.
Whatever, my part's done.
Yeah, your part. Your part is done essentially. You can go home. We'll see you later. Bye.
Whatever, you got to put my gas back.
That is true. I do owe you some gas money.
I'm driving this to school tomorrow.
Bull. No, you're not.
We can just prime the fuel pump and put a hose going straight to the license.
There you go.
Since it's leaking anyway.
That's true. That's how you got refill its gas.
Does that thing take 93?
What, mine?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I was about to say, this thing takes 93 only, so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it gets 14 miles to the gallon and gets 93. It's actually got like 10 pulling your car.
Really?
Yeah.
That's heartwarming.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we will see you on Saturday. Alright guys, we're over here at Aiden's house. It is currently Saturday afternoon. We are about to start tearing apart the Forester and see what all needs to be replaced. When I dropped off the car, kind of told you guys that I have a fuel line that is leaking. We also have a coolant leak somewhere we gotta figure out. So right now, my car over here, Aiden's car back here. So we're both in the teardown process right now, and we're waiting on a buddy to come over to help us out and get that pulled. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and start working on the Forester. The line that we are noticing is leaking. Hang on, let me get some light on here. There we go. Alright. It's this line right down here underneath the intake manifold. I'm pretty sure that it is a return line going back, but that is where the fuel is leaking out of. Coolant, we still have no idea yet. That's where we will find out hopefully when we start taking this thing apart. But cool thing is we got Aiden's motor pulled. It took absolutely forever. Alright guys, so we just got done tearing down the car. We already found some of the issues that need to be replaced as far as lines, hoses, you name it, clips, just about anything. This car is 19 years old and has not been tore down probably this far. And figured it's probably time to start doing some of that stuff. Got the intake manifold, got the intercooler off. We were having some issues trying to get the intake manifold. Come to realize that we should probably pull the TGVs out with them. Did some research. Caleb, I know you're tired and you were frustrated.
Oh yeah, I was very frustrated, man.
But
we did it.
we did
We
it.
finally got it.
We did. And this dude over here
What's up?
was paranoid as hell.
I still am.
Yeah, I still am. We're just waiting on him to start doing his own stuff.
No.
Yeah, you need to, bro.
I'm running it until she blows.
Yeah.
Then I'll do this. Better.
You might as well do it now before
Nah.
before it blows. I hope you guys enjoy this series of me watching me rebuild this thing. So it's probably not gonna be anything crazy, but it could be very informational and helpful to anyone that is looking to do this kind of stuff. So thank you again. Thank you again.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. And we will see you guys in the next one.